Are you still dreaming of moving to Australia but tired of fake visa advice online? Let's make it simple. Here's how you can actually move to Australia in 2025. In 2025, Australia is offering around 185,000 permanent migration spots. Most of these go to skilled workers and family reunification. So if you've got the right skills or family there, this is your chance. Before applying, you must get your skills assessed by a relevant authority in Australia, like Engineers Australia, VetAssess, or ACS. It's a key step for most skilled visas. So, one of the best options is the Skilled Independent Visa. Subclass 189. You don't need a job offer. Just meet the points test, prove your qualifications, and pass the English requirement. Another strong path is the state-sponsored visa, Subclass 190. States and territories can nominate you based on their local job needs. It gives you bonus points and faster approval. If you're open to smaller cities, check out the 491 regional visa. Regional areas offer more jobs, fewer applicants, and a faster route to permanent residency. And if you prefer to study first, start with a student visa, then apply for a work visa after graduation. This path is popular with young migrants building their future. In 2025, the new Skills in Demand visa is also gaining momentum. It's designed for tech workers, aged care, construction, and other high-demand trades. Faster, clearer, and built for long-term migrants. And if you already have loved ones in Australia, you can apply for partner, parent, or child visas. Just remember these require sponsorship and sometimes longer wait times. But these are considered the easiest ways. No matter which path you choose, you'll need good English, health and police checks, proof of skills or study, and enough money or a sponsor. So stop scrolling, start planning. Use Australia's official visa website, immi.homeaffairs.gov.au, or drop your questions in the comments. Your Australian journey could start today. If you need more information, check description box below.